But please note, everything you get in this video is strictly for educational purposes and not intended as investment advice. So please do your own research. And also know that results are not typical. It's all dependent on your skills level and experience. So please take note.
This video we got to some new updates concerning our weekly trading signals, and this video is aimed at giving you the weekly signal performance reports. And as you can see on your screen there, you see that we had signals on the 1st of April, 2nd and 3rd of April. And if you check through this, you'll see that overall, well, we recorded a total of 191 pips in losses, while we had about 827 pips in profits, giving us a total net gain of 636 pips. So for the new week, we already, now this is pretty coming a bit late though, but already if you check through the channel here, you see that on the platform here we already dropped a signal around 8:21 p.m. on Sunday concerning this swing trade zones for buy, concerning these swing trade zones for buy for April 6 to 11. And you see the element there, buy zone stop loss is at 2,960, and we're to buy, the buy zone is around 2,985 to 3,005, and TP1 is 3048, TP2 3120 or 3120, TP3 3175, which will be the last week's high. Although this is not last week's high because price didn't get up to that, but we are just taking that into this. Then the trading logic here is for you to wait for the reaction to the MOC and CPI. And MOC and CPI, MOC is on the 9th on Wednesday, while on Thursday you have the US CPI. All these will most likely impact on the price of gold. Okay, so now at the end of the day, by this morning, anyone who acted on this signal here would have already had the first tip is smashed. All right, that's over 700 pips if you check through here. Okay, so around over almost 700 pips. Okay, so now we also have got this. So first tip, first one there, we then also had a instant execution just this morning. All right, and that actually yielded, you see, all of them were actually smashed, all three, but we exited after TP2. All right, but it actually delivered all three signals. Okay, all three TPs rather. Okay, so now, and you can see the impact there. So now there's also another signal here you can actually think of, a trade setup for a swing sell, and sell entry zone is between 3048 and 3068. Now, it may seem as if this has passed already. Remember, there is a weekend gap. Okay, there's a weekend gap for gold, all right, which is the gap between 3048 that the market will try to cover. Okay, so probably it may pay if I will quickly head over to a chart and give us that. All right, so now if you look at this, let me quickly put it on weekly. Okay, so if you look at this, you can see this on weekly chart. You can see the shooting star on the weekly time frame because this is explained in this report here, in this signal here. If you look at that, you see that let me quickly adjust this. This range aligns with key resistance levels and the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the recent downward. Of course, this is called from trading view. And then so from 3167 swing high to the low of 2970. Now this is what, based on what happened this morning. All right, this one here that we put in here is based on what happened this morning, so we can act on this, all right, as the market progresses. All right, you can actually act on this for this week for swing traders. So meaning if you're entering this, you have to really mind your risk very, very well. Okay, so now, because the low so far already for this week is already 2970. Okay, now stop loss we set at 3135. You know what that means. If you enter either at 3048 or 3068, let's take you enter one at 3048 now, and your stop loss will be about 900 pips, about 900 pips, 900 something pips, right? 930 or something. All right, so now while the TP1 All right, TP1 here is 3005, and 3005 will translate to over, if you take it 4838 is 1000, 28 2000, 18 3000, 08 is 4000 pips already, so about 4300. So TP2, you see that already, TP3, then TP4. Sorry, I think I'm over stretching that. But in any case, just do the calculation. My head is still is really not very coordinated on the calculation right now. Okay, so but that, just look at what you'll be expecting there. So TP1 3005, TP2 2970, TP3 is 2953, which is near the 50 day moving average according to Investopedia, and TP4 is 2858, which is a deeper support level according to Investopedia. So we will be targeting, watching out for this. All right, so just stay glued to your, just monitor this rather, and when you monitor it, you can now enter the trade, or you can even set it up as a sell limit order. All right, so that's how much is done this week, and you want to really keep following and keep observing, keep following what we're doing on the channel, on our groups. All right, and just check in the description and you see a link to chat with me to add you to our trading platform today, so you can actually get your trading signals. All right, go ahead and like the video, share it, leave a comment also, and please subscribe and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we drop the next important video for you. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.